in terms of log to the base a of x, log to the base a of y, and log to the base a of z. So here now it's sort of reversing the process that we've just done, right? You can see now I've got a single logarithm, okay? Well, what if I don't want single logarithms? What if I want it in terms of these separate logarithms here? Well, we'll split it up, okay? And we'll apply the sort of rules backwards, okay? So, first of all, okay, you'll notice here we've got the product of these terms here with the x, y's and z's. Now remember with the product or the multiplication law, okay, so this is where I got the product of x, y, yeah, I can split it up to be log x plus log y, and I'm going to do the same here. So the first thing I do is I just split them up, so log to the base a of x squared plus then log to the base a of y plus then log to the base a of z cubed, okay. So I've split them up because these are the product here, yeah. So I've got them in terms of log a of x squared, log of y, and log z cubed, but they want it in terms of log x, log y, log z, right? So you can't sort of leave it as it is, okay? You need to just have those particular terms as they are. So what I do then is I apply the third law, yeah. So because I've got log to the base a of x squared, bring that power down. Remember the third law, you can do that, okay? Bring that power down and you end up with k log to the base a of x. So I bring the 2 down, so I'm left with 2 log to the base a of x plus then, well that one's already as I want it, and bring that 3 down there. And we're done. Okay, we've written it in terms of log x, log y and log z. With the second one then, okay, you can see here we've got the division law, right? So the first thing I do here is split that up by taking away, of course, using the division law. Okay, so I've done that. Log a to the base a of x, lovely, it's as I want it, but here now I've got this 3 here, so I need to deal with that, and of course then we use the third law, so bring that power down, so I end up with log to the base a of x, take away 3 log to the base a of y. With this one then, a little bit of work here, okay, but you can see, first of all, you can see division maybe, so we use the division rule here, okay, so we've got log to the base a of x root y, take away log to the base a of z, okay, because you're dividing these terms. But then I want you to see then, we could split these up, can't we, okay, because we've got x and y here, and it's the product, isn't it, it's the product, so let's split that up there. In terms of the product, the multiplication law, so that means we're going to add these. Okay, and then one more step then, of course, well that's okay, that isn't okay because it's square root of y, but remember square root of y is just the power half, isn't it? Yeah, so remember that when you see that, okay, that's all that this means. Power, square root of y is power half, so you can bring that half down using the third law. Okay, finally then, well let's look at this one, okay, and this goes back to a couple of videos back, okay, you'll see something interesting happen here. Division law though, yeah, division law here, so we've got log to base a of x, take away log to the base a of a to the power 4, okay. Now you looking at this now, you might be thinking, well hang on a minute, we've got to put it in terms of log ax, log to the base a of y, log to the base a of z. What's going on here? Because I'm going to have a log here that hasn't got x, y or z in, okay, but actually something interesting happens now. Okay, so I'll leave the first one as it is because it's log to the base a of x, yeah, it's as I want it. Here though we got a power, so we bring that power down in front. So take away then 4 log to the base a of a. And then think back to a few videos back, when you've got log to the base a of a, okay, when those two are the same, that just equals 1. Okay, log to base a of a, whatever a is, it will always be 1. As I said, you can check a few numbers on your calculator to confirm it. So that will just be 1. You've got the 4 in front, so it'll be 4 times 1, which is 4. And there's your result. So it's in terms of log to base a of x here. There's no log y or log z here, okay, but the log a disappears because it's got the same base.